Hey everyone, welcome back to Zoba Vlogs. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your RS Aquarium's pump. So this is my tank. This is a 48 liter, and the model is RS 480A. I have purchased it for 5,500 offline 2 years back, and right now I have a planted guppy tank, and there is some distortion because I recently tried to remove this, and a lot of changes were going on this. So and I was supplying the oxygen for last 3 days using the air pump, and I thought I should get the replacement. So basically this is the old pump, and it stopped working completely. Initially it stopped giving the uh, air, and then it stopped pumping the water. So I did keep them clean, but don't know, like, I think it stopped working, and I have ordered a replacement pump from Amazon. So this is RS of 580p pump, and I'm going to unbox this. I'm also going to show you how to install this pump into your aquarium. Keep watching. So inside the box you get these connectors. This is the pipe. This is adjustable pipe, so you can use it to since this is an like outside pipe that's not coming with your stock tank. It's going to be given to fit for different size tanks, so do not worry about whether it will fit your tank. So you will have these pipe adjustments, and you do have the pump itself. So this is the pump, and it's a 10-watt pump as per the description from Amazon. So this is the pump. Hopefully this will fit into my tank. I haven't checked it yet, so I'm going to uh, check that, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first take the pump. Okay, this is the pump. I have removed the power line. I'm going to first unplug this 8 pump. So place your wire first. Take it from the area that's here, like can you see here? So from here you take your wire and try to take it in the other side, so that you can have your wire placed in the stock tank, like how they give. There is a portion of segment that is dedicated for the wires to come out, so try to keep it in that, in the back side, and take your pump into your hand and see that there are two knots here. Try to place it in this direction, this air pump facing front. Try to keep it towards you, and move it clockwise, so it should fall into place like that. So now it is locked. Now I'm going to connect the other material for the pump, and I'm going to test whether it works or not. So first I'm going to connect the air connector. So this I'm going to connect. You can even connect it before connecting your air pump, but since it will be easy for me to take the pipeline outside easily, I'm going to connect it now. Should connect it on the top of your air outlet. You can find a small node there, so you need to connect it over there, and gently place this outside and keep it out. Now I'm going to I don't want to use the old set. I'm going to completely use the new ones. I'm going to make a pipe out of this, and I'm going to connect it to the pump. So I have made the pipe like this, to this height, and I'm going to plug it into the pump. Gently place it down and put it into the hole. I think I need one more connector. Okay, this is going to be a bigger one, so I'm going to unplug one. Okay, with just one extension I was able to place it properly into my tank. And you are going to connect the outlet. So for the outlet you have a connector given here. Gently place it on top of that. Make sure that it's been fit properly into the pump. And you have your outlet here. Just connect your filter outlet on top. So I think everything is been set now. So I'm going to try turning it on and see whether it works or not. Hope you can see the bubbles started coming and I can see water flowing from up. So it's a successful one. I'm happy to get the replacement, and this is how you're going to fit. So probably I'm going to clean my tank and I'm going to change the water for next few days. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.